Why are there not more people talking about saving our planet through simple acts? Let's change that today. Recycling, composting, and reusing might seem like small acts, but they create waves of change for Mother Earth. When you recycle, you're giving new life to old materials. Composting turns kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil, feeding our plants and gardens. Reusing items keeps them out of landfills and reduces waste. These actions not only protect our environment, but also nurture our souls. Imagine the smiles from future generations as they walk through cleaner parks and breathe fresher air. Give thanks every day. Hug a tree, plant a tree, and remember, every small step counts. Together we can heal the earth and ourselves. Let's make a difference, one green choice at a time. Are you with me?